Grade 4, Worksheet 1, First Term 2020 to 21. Spring Season. Question number 1. Write in numerals. 19,818. We can solve this question by using International Number System, which is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Now we put the value in it. 19,818. In this way, we can solve all these questions. Question number 2, write in words. Words mean write in spellings. Now we put the value here 60,014. Now we put the international number system in it. Now we write in spelling 60,000. There is no any value on the hundred place, so we didn't mention it, and 14. In this way we can do this question. Now question number 2, round each of the following to nearest tens, round each of the following to the nearest hundred, round each of the following to the nearest thousand. To round the number to nearest tens, look at the digit in the ones place. Okay, we have a value 44. 44 is between 40 and 50. Now we check the ones value. 4. If the value is less than 5, then it nearest to 40. If the value is 5 and greater than 5, it nearest to 50. We check the ones value. It's 4. It less than 5. So the answer is 40. Now we have a value 32. 32 is between 30 and 40. Now we check the ones value 2. 2 is less than 5, so it is near to 30. The answer is 30. 25. 25 is between 20 and 30. 25. 5 is 5 and the value which is greater than 5, which is nearest to 30. The answer is 30. 67. 67 is between 60 and 70. The ones value 7, which is greater than 5. The answer is 70. Round the of the nearest hundred. 527. Now we check the tens value. First of all, we check the hundreds. 527 means it's between 500 and 600. If the value is greater than 50, then it moves to the next hundred. Otherwise, it's moved to the back hundred. Look at here. 527. It's less than 50. Then the answer is 500. Now our next value is 955. 955 means it between 900 and 1000. Now we check the tens value, which is greater than 50. So it moved to the 1000. Round of nearest thousand. Now we check 9,099. Now we check the value on hundred place. First of all, we check the 9,099 is between 9,000 and 10,000. Now we check the 100, 500, but there is no any 100. So the answer is 9,000. Our second value is 1,525. It is between 1,000 and 2000. Now we check the 100 place. 525. It is greater than 500. So the answer is 2000. In this way we can do these questions.